Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hello, my name is Shalonda. I like to create videos about DIYs, lifestyle, and organization. If you like what you see in today's video, I hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel. For those who have already been living life with Lon, don't forget to hit that post notification bell. Make sure you select all so you don't miss any future uploads from me. So let's go ahead and jump right into this project. You need 2 of the Dollar Tree red truck signs and some sandpaper. You want to go in and remove any of the embellishments that come on the truck. And if you plan on using those for another craft, you definitely would like to save those. So I went in and I sanded down the glitter from the Happy Harvest. I also cut one of the trucks in half. I just used a simple X-Acto knife, and it cut right through it very easily. I applied 2 coats of this orange paint that you see here. I will link that in the description box below. Feel free to use a color of your choice, anything that may go with your home decor. I just personally, when I'm doing my crafts, I just kind of use what I have on hand. So after applying 2 coats, I knew that I wanted this to be a 3D effect. I saw this on Pinterest and a couple other YouTubers did something similar to this. So I took one of those Dollar Tree crates and painted that orange. I only paint the edges of that crate, and I figured that why waste the paint if no one's gonna see that part. Comment below if you are a fan of only painting what will be seen on your projects. So as you can see here, I'm just kind of creating a window effect for the truck. The first coat that I put on, it wasn't quite dry, and so I had to pull out the blow dryer to dry it up just a teeny bit. So now I'm just kind of going back over that to make sure that my gray or my window is a very bold and vibrant color. Next, I'm going to use those old pumpkins as some rear view mirrors for this truck. When I started doing this truck, I had in mind to make like an old beater, you know, something that maybe backfired a couple times. You probably had to pump the gas a couple times to get it to start. An old beat up work truck, something that may or may not get you from point A to point B, if that makes sense. So yeah, so I was thinking about really distressing it, you know, putting some dents and scratches and just like discolorations on it, because I did want it to look very beat up and old. So I went in to do some distressing to my piece, and I realized that I was working on the piece that was going to be on the inner side. So all of that work was kind of wasted, but it did look pretty good. Kind of going in and I'm just adding a little bit of detail to the truck, going in with my damp paper towel. You guys know that I love to add distressing with a damp paper towel to my projects. I know on my Instagram I posted a poll asking who all had their Christmas trees up, if they already had them up prior to Thanksgiving, and if you're in the process of getting your tree put up, or it's definitely up and I'm ready for Christmas to come along. So I would love for you guys to play along with that poll. If you would please comment below where you are currently with your Christmas tree. Right here I got a pack of the little mini village Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree, and going in with some of the additional that you can add to the mini trees, I made a wreath. So guys, that's it for today's project. What do you think? Very interchangeable. You can change this out season to season. You can also add like ribbon. You can add other decor items that you feel would be super cute in the back of the truck. Maybe for the springtime, some flowers or something. So I hope this video inspired you guys to make this cute little truck. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, because it does help my channel. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.